Okay, let's go ahead and use VM Player to create a new virtual machine. Now, I want to note that if you've created a virtual machine and you're using it and you want to go ahead and you copy it, you make a backup, you copy it to a portable hard drive and go ahead and take it home maybe to work on, that you can use VM Player to go ahead and load that VM. What you have to do though is go to open the virtual machine and then find that on your drive. So that's where you use this open a virtual machine at. Now what we want to do is create a new virtual machine. We are going to use an ISO, and I know this is in my own directory, but remember it is the ISOs are in classes, computer technology, Scott, and then each ISO is in an individual folder for the most part. I'm going to go ahead and select Windows Server X32 2008 is my ISO, and I'm going to go next. Now that key is YRHTJ 2KBQW 6TG 96J99YW R4Y37. And I want to go ahead and select the Windows Server 2008 standard. There are a lot of different choices, but that's what I'm going to select. Now, personalized Windows, I'm just Shaun is going to be my full name. Now, the password, I want to go ahead and use an uppercase letter, lowercase letters, and a number. So I'm going to say Shaun, capital S, A-U-N, let's see, 111. That's probably fine. Let me write that down. Okay. I'll have to verify that, confirm it. And then we'll log on automatically. Next, Windows Server 2008. And this is the name that we'll see under this box. Now, keep in mind, this is important. Where is this VM located? And that's what this location says. Currently, it says Shaun Scott Documents, Virtual Machines, and then it has this Windows Server 2008-Shaun. You can change that if you want to. At the very least, understand where this is. We'll select Next. Oh, it says it already exists. I'm going to add -1, -V1. Because I've been fiddling with this a little bit and I already have one of those out there. Okay, next. Maximum disk size is 40 gig. Let's store the virtual disk as a single file. That'll make it easier to move around, I think. Okay, customize hardware. We want to go ahead and select probably 1.5 gigs about of memory for this. Microprocessors, let's select 2 microprocessors. Network adapter, let's choose bridged. That'll allow us to put in a static IP address. And then close this and finish. Okay, so it'll go ahead and finish that installation. Binary translation is incompatible with long mode. That's okay. So with any luck, there we go. We're going to OK that. Now it says Windows is loading files. So at this point, it's going to go ahead and start this installation. Now I'm going to go ahead and readjust the size. I guess it's probably not smart enough at this point to readjust that size for me. Go ahead and let this whole installation happen. It's going to copy files and do all those things, and then we'll come back to it. So with another video. Is there anything here? Let me hold on. Is there anything here that I need to mention to you about this? I think it's just going to go ahead and do the regular installation process. So with that, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to end this video, and we'll go on from there.